Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Moses, and this is Urban Backyard Container Gardening. If this is your first time visiting, thank you. If you're a returning visitor, subscriber, thank you. I appreciate your support, encouragement, and feedback. So if you've been following my channel for a while, you know that when I lived in Fort Myers, one of the things I did every morning when I came out for my videos was to sit at my table and drink my cup of coffee and have a conversation with you. Well, since we have moved back to the homestead, I haven't been able to do that until now. So this is my new three-piece outdoor bistro set that Vego rather was so gracious to send to me. I'm going to take it out of the box and show you what it looks like. So both the table and the chairs are foldable, and they easily fold out. One person can do it just like that. And we're going to put the table here, and we're going to take one of the chairs and put it here. And we're going to take the other chair and put it here. And just like that, they're down. I think for the most part, this is where you're normally going to see me sitting in the garden here, maybe back a little further. But for the most part, this is where I'm going to be. And I'm probably going to have some nice, decent conversations here. I can, like I said, drink my coffee here, and I can be in the middle of the garden in my thoughts. I'm really liking this. The color goes good with all of the beds and their colors and the colors of the plants. Everything looks fantastic. I like it. So here is the bistro two-person seater, and as you can tell, I am ecstatic about it. It allows me to sit out in the morning, and depending on where I have it at, and sit in the garden, face the garden, or look away from the garden. But at least I'll be able to sit and drink my coffee, and I won't have to walk around holding my coffee anymore. I can also have videos that first person videos where I'm actually sitting in the garden and I don't have to worry about my tripod or anything like that. So I'm happy about it. Each seat can hold up to 380 pounds, and obviously looking at me, there's no way in the world I'm 380 pounds. The design of this, the color makes it neutral so that it stands out no matter what season it is right now, and it's basically winter. A few days it'll be winter, and you can still see it. It's sharp. It stands out. It looks neat. This will also give me something to put my produce on, or my harvest, rather than just sitting them on top of my raised bed or somewhere. This will be very, very, very useful. It's made out of polished. I'm sorry, it's made out of metal, and it's sturdy for all types of seasons according to the specs on it. So I'm happy that Vego decided to reach out to me about trying this out, and I hope to put it to use, and you'll be seeing a lot of it in future videos. If you're interested in purchasing one of these, I'll leave a link for I'll leave my personal link for Vego in the description portion of the video, along with my discount code. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without him we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.